Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to remove the front wheel arch molding. First we need to remove all clips, what looks like this. You need the trim tools. It's not necessary to take off the wheel, but much easy to do. So 2 clips underneath, only one clip is different than the other one, what is under in the inner side. So clip, and 3 small clip what is holding to the shield cover. Is much easy if you remove the shield cover what is holding clips and couple of screw in the front and one on the back, but I show you the correct way, and you see it don't need to remove. So the most important need to be start from the left side, because all the way here is the clips, and from here to there have a different type of plastic ears what is very easy to broken. So all clip is removed. You just hold here and nice and one strong popping out. Just need to pop out. The clips is this is zigzag. Okay, until this. Okay, and now the trick is, if you took off the 3 small clip, you can bend it a little bit. The shield, this is no plastic, this is carpet, easy. And I took off the starting from here. I take off first, and after I show you guys what was I talk about, what is easy to broken. Don't really need any tools, just pressing by finger. So, and this much easy. So I was talk about, obviously, clip, zigzag clip is not really breakable, but this section is very easy to broken, and you just feel it and just press in by finger each, and very easy to come off very gently. And when you putting back, just popping back, put back the clips and done. All right, I hope helped my video for you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.